Hello, this video is for just a few reminders. CKC2 will be available tomorrow, Saturday, March 5th, and it closes on Tuesday, March 8th. It will count as 10% of your overall grade in the course. Remember that you do not have to study for a CKC, but if you'd like to, you can access it through the menu and then click Review. You must have a webcam and a photo ID in order to take the CKC. The lockdown browser will be prompted if you're using the same computer that you used for CKC1, then you do not have to download the lockdown browser again. If you like to test your webcam and lockdown browser, see instructions in your eCampus. There are no extensions for technical difficulties. CKCs cannot be taken on Chromebooks. CKC2 can be taken on campus on Saturday, Monday, or Tuesday in the Math Resource Center or the Tutoring Center. Remember that your photo ID must be clearly visible when you take a picture of it and do not cover your name. You should be in a well-lit room and be visible in the webcam at all times. Students showing mastery of at least 187 topics will receive a grade of 100. Once you start the CKC, you cannot work on anything else. The Alex Gradebook updates on Tuesday night with the CKC2 grade. Week 7 topics are due Sunday, March 6th at 11:59 p.m. That's all of the reminders for now. If you have any questions, be sure to email me. Thank you.